Roof replacement in Troy, Ohio can be stressful. There's no doubt about that. There are plenty of concerns, including materials, costs, and timelines. After all, your roof is meant to last for decades. That's why working with a trusted contractor is so important. A roof replacement isn't just about shingles. It's about creating a system that protects your home from the elements. A professional contractor understands how ventilation, underlayment, flashing, and materials work together, and their expertise ensures the job is done right the first time. Without that knowledge, small mistakes can turn into big, expensive problems down the road. Trusted contractors also help you choose the right products. They have access to quality materials from top manufacturers and recommend solutions that balance performance, style, and budget. And that is what you get with BCS Roofing and Solar. Safety is another key factor. Roofing can be dangerous, but professional crews follow strict safety guidelines, carry insurance, and back up their work with warranties. That means fewer risks and greater peace of mind for you. At the end of the day, hiring a reliable contractor adds value to your home, saves you money in the long run, and gives you confidence that your roof will protect your family for years to come. BCS Roofing and Solar is the go-to roof replacement company in the Dayton metro area. We offer expertise and quality products, and we will always treat you respectfully. Get a free estimate today.